In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the folder ID in Zoho WorkDrive. This ID can be really handy for integrating with other applications or keeping track of folders for various tasks. Whether you're new to Zoho WorkDrive or have been using it for some time, understanding how to locate this ID can save you a lot of time. First, let's start by navigating to the Zoho WorkDrive dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main screen. This area, the dashboard, is quite intuitive and categorized for your convenience. You will see different sections such as Recent Files, Favorites, Shared with Me, Collect Files, My Folders, and Team Folders. Each of these sections is designed to help you organize and access your files efficiently. Our focus today will be on locating a specific folder so you can easily retrieve its ID. Now, as you browse through the dashboard, you'll want to locate either My Folders or Team Folders. Select the option that best corresponds to where your specific folder is located. For My Folders, these are items you're personally organizing, whereas Team Folders will include items shared across your workspace or team members. Navigate through these folders until you find the one you're interested in. Once you've identified your desired folder, click to open it. This action will take you directly into the folder's main interface, where you can manage files. Here's where the crucial step comes in. You need to focus on the URL in your web browser. This is the bar at the top of your screen where you usually see the website address. As you examine this URL, you will notice a series of letters and numbers. Among these, near the end of the URL, you'll see a distinct sequence prefixed with a hashtag or directly following an F, which represents your folder ID. It's essential to be careful here. Avoid altering anything in this URL as it could disrupt your current path. Directly copy the ID portion directly from the URL bar. This folder ID is what you will need whenever you are coordinating operations that specify the requirement of this identifier. Perhaps you need it to set up an API integration, or maybe you're just getting organized. Either way, that's it. If you decide to switch folders or look up another folder ID, simply repeat this process. Navigate back using the dashboard, select another folder, and extract the ID from its corresponding URL. It's that easy. Doing this a few times will make the process feel even more intuitive, allowing for efficient navigation and ID retrieval. And there you have it. You now know how to find and use the folder ID within Zoho WorkDrive. If you have any questions or you're curious about more tips and tricks, feel free to reach out or check out our other tutorial videos. Thank you for watching, and have a great day navigating your files efficiently.